to go over how to do a two-sample t-test when given a data set. So we have that the data set shows a random sample of ratings for two different hospitals. You can see here's hospital A, and if you scroll down, we get to hospital B. We want to test the claim that the average rating for hospital A is higher than the average rating for hospital B. So first of all, we have two different samples, so we know we're going to have a two-sample test, and this is an average, so we're comparing two means. And when we're comparing two means, it's going to be two-sample t-test because these are two different hospitals, so they are independent. So our null is going to be that the first mean equals the second mean, and the alternative is going to be the first mean is greater than the second mean because we want the average for hospital A to be higher than the average for hospital B. So mu1 is hospital A, and mu2 is hospital B. So for our conditions, we already said they're independent because it's two different hospitals. There's a random sample, so we're good there. And if we scroll down here, there's 41, or 40, I guess. So that is greater than 30, so we are good with our conditions. So the next thing we need to do is calculate our test statistic and p-value. And to do that, we're going to have to get this data into our app over here. So the first thing you want to do is change this into provide your own. So where it says enter data, we're going to pick provide own. And then we're going to put in all of the ones for hospital A. So we need to highlight, click and drag down until you get to the end of hospital A. And then Command C or Control C, or you can right click and press copy, however you want to do it. We're going to paste it into our group 1 data. So Command V or Control V into that first group. And then we're going to do the same thing for group B. We're going to click and drag all of these data points for hospital B. And we're going to put it into that box. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose significance test because we want to look for our hypothesis test. So if you look here, you can see a sample size is 20 for each of those. Make sure it's 20 so you know you didn't miss any. It gives us the means for each of them. You can tell the mean for hospital A. Let's rename that hospital A is much higher than hospital B. And hospital A, the box plot, you can also see much higher than hospital B. So we want to look at our significance test. We want greater than. Remember, we have our greater than up in our hypothesis. Greater than. So we want to match that to be greater than. And you can see our test statistic is 6.31. So we get 6.31. And our p-value is less than 0.0001. You can see that's way, way out here. Our p-value is also very, very small. So our p is less than alpha. 0.0001 is less than 0.05. So we reject the null. So that means we do have convincing evidence that hospital A has higher average ratings than hospital B. If we were to get greater than, then if P was greater than alpha, then we would not have convincing evidence that hospital A has higher ratings than hospital B. And that is how you do a two-sample t-test using the data analysis tools when given a data set.